Hi, I'm Dr. Cary Goldstein. I'm the founder of the Goldstein Dental Center here in Atlanta, Georgia. We've now switched back to our coarse diamond, and we're going to finish our preparation. Now we can come interproximally, get a nice super gingival margin. Come to the other side, and I'm going to come in from the lingual. I may need to switch back. We're very close here. Just going in proximal, following the tissue, making sure that we don't create a lip for that margin. There should be a nice smooth chamfer margin. Remember, you've got a little bit of reduction up here. And we've got to come in through this mesial area, which is sometimes a little tight. And you can see it's so tight. If I come in a little too much, I'm afraid I might touch that tooth. So I'm going to switch back to that pointed diamond just once again so I can get a little bit more space. Now let's finish our preparation. Make sure you've got a nice, at least 0.5 millimeter chamfer all the way around, nice and smooth. We're going to bevel our incisal edge like we've always done. Now we're just going to round out any of our line angles. Notice we're doing everything with the coarse diamond. We want all of that area for cement to get into those little grooves. So the more surface area we leave by having a rough preparation, not at the margin is nice and smooth. There's a nice edge there. You can see here we always want to make sure these are rounded line angles here. And that should give you a nice preparation. With about 6 degrees of taper as you look down there. There's a little sharp area, possibly a little sharp area. We want to make sure that that's not there. Good.